Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another AI tech video. If you want to boost your mobile and game performance, PUBG, Free Fire, and any mod, follow the given instructions. Please like, subscribe, and share. I motivate with your like. Let's start. Go settings. Go my phone or about phone. Click 4 to 5 times on build number. You are now access the developer option. Go to the search bar. Type developer option. You can see the developer option. Click on it. Scroll down. Scroll. You can see the option Force 4X MSAA. This is the option that make your mobile and game performance to 100 level. Thanks for watching.